Hello my YouTube friends and welcome to my next video. As you can see, I'm sitting in my room and I'm here because it's already dark outside and it was snowing today. So there was nothing to do. So I decided today is the day that I'm gonna clean out my closet. And it's because I like to do it once in a while, and it's after Christmas and after New Year, so I decided to do it today because I'm at home anyway and it needs to be cleaned out. The purpose of this is to donate some clothes or throw some which is damaged, some clothes with holes, and this stuff. So this is what this video is gonna be about. So that's today's task, and I think it's gonna be a pain in the ass a little bit because I have a lot of stuff in my closet. I don't even know what is in there, so I might find some things I don't even know I have. Alright, let's get into it. First, I'm gonna take out everything and, a little bit go through it, and we will see what we find. This is such a big pile, but that's not everything. This is full, and I think I don't need to continue because those are full. Okay, I think we're gonna start with this part, and then we're gonna move to this part. Let's do this! For example, this I bought for school, and how many times do you think I wore it to school? 0. Funny is that my mom was here like half year ago and she bought me this jacket, and I have never worn this jacket and I really wanted this jacket, so I think I should start wearing this jacket because it's just sitting in my closet, but I really like it. It's gonna be probably next task to just, remove the tags and start to wearing it actually. Okay, another thing with tag, but I bought it after summer, I think, so I have never had chance to wear it. So that's my excuse. Back home I had my closet sorted out according to colors, just like pink, black, white. But I'm thinking to sort it out like according to like if it's like, casual or sport or dresses. So I will think about it. I think in most of my videos I promised you that I'm gonna introduce you my jacket with patches I bought from like Banff and our trips or parks. So this is it, and it's missing a lot of them because I haven't had time to put them on my jacket so far, so I have them somewhere in the drawer, I guess. But this is it. See, that's all from Banff, and I think it's beautiful. And another item with tag, and this is actually from some of my videos where I bought like $10 Amazon mystery package, and yeah, it's good find, but I haven't had chance to wear it so far, but the right time will come soon. This needs to be washed because I found stain here from makeup, I think, so I'm gonna put it in the laundry. So at least I can wash something if I find something like this with stains, so that's good for something. This hoodie I bought when I was here a long time ago, and it's my travel hoodie. Always when I'm flying back to home and to here, I'm wearing it, in the airplane and in the airport, so That's my like favorite blue jeans hoodie. And another piece with back. So yeah, I should start wearing them. See, and I forgot that I bought this skirt at Walmart for, I don't know, probably like $14. Oh, $18. And it's beautiful, but I have never worn it, so I should fix it. I have to tell you something about this dress. This is my very favorite dress. I brought it from Czechia, and this dress is my like, how to say it, like, this dress is measuring my weight, because if I can fit it, that means I'm good, but if I can't fit it, then it means that I gained a lot. So it's showing me where my weight is. So this is a very good dress, and last time I fit it, I think before winter, and now I'm pretty sure I can't fit it. Really. Okay, this part is done, but it's like, I know it looks still stuffed, but I got rid of some things, and it's mostly like, you know, hoodies and sweaters. They're kind of big and taking some space, but at least I, you know, sorted out like dresses, hoodies, sweaters, tops, t-shirts. So it's nice, but you know what? Here's another one. And there's like mixed stuff, but most like alo yoga clothes. So many alo yoga clothes. As you can see, it's like from this to this, and I'm not gonna get rid of anything from this. I might just little sort it out, I will see, but yeah. And don't look here. No. That's bad. I found my aloe bag, and I have a story tied to this. I was shopping so many times at Aloe that I got probably already like 15 of those bags, and I sold them because what I would do with them, right? So this is my only one, and the other ones always if I get them, because it's the only thing you get with purchase from Aloe. So I sold like a lot of them. This is almost done. I still have like some swimsuit and stuff I need to put in there, and as well as like purses, backpacks. But yeah, I have a lot of stuff still. And then I'm gonna start with those. Here are 2 baskets with my swimsuits. I have a lot of them, so I should get through it and see what I'm gonna get rid of, if something. I don't think so. I love swimsuit, so I like to have a choice, you know. So we will see. Okay, now it's time for this part. It's very messy here, and it's very messy here, so let's do this. This is kind of mix of everything, some purses, some PJs, some, you know, winter hats, gloves, rain boot socks, like everything, really. So I don't know what this is doing here. So yeah. Those are mostly pants, skirts, leggings, shorts, and, you know, bottoms basically. And here is kind of like random stuff. This is my like work clothes. I work at the restaurant, so this is mostly my like damaged clothes, but I need it for work. And I don't know what's here. let's find out, I guess. Halloween costumes wigs. Funny, I have 2. Empty box, I can throw it, I guess. This is my schoolwork hoodie. Ugly Christmas sweaters, nice. Jerseys, a lot of stuff. Pink hair, I don't remember for what. I think it was for Avril Lavigne concert, but then I bought wig. I didn't need it at all. This is from our video as well. We were at Toronto Blue Jays Barbie game day and I bought there this. And you can check out the video. It's very cool. I love this one. So I am done. It's still stuffed, but you know, it's better than nothing, and at least I know what I have there. And I didn't do this one because I'm already very tired, so this is task for another day. I need to do the same thing with cosmetics and you know, this stuff. But I sorted out kind of those, like it's not perfect, but you know, I went through, I threw some things and I know what's in there, so that's the most important thing. Here I have clothes to donate. Here I have things I would like to try to sell because they're either new or in very good condition. So, and this is dirty stuff, so I need to wash it. So this is laundry basically. Okay guys, we are at the end of this video. It was very tiring. I feel very tired. My eyes are sleepy and I'm gonna make tea probably and go sleep, I guess. I don't know, it took me probably about 2 hours, I would say. It was pain in the ass, as I said. But it's done. I don't have to worry about it. I have things to donate, things to throw, things to, you know, sell. So I'm happy. Let me know if you are sometimes cleaning your closet and how often you're doing this, because I don't like it. I'm trying always to avoid this activity, this task. So yeah, let me know if this is your like weekly, monthly, yearly task. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I found so many things I didn't know that I have, which is good. So now at least until I forget, I know what I have in there, which is great. And I think that's about it. As always, I would be really happy for a like, comment, and especially subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. And see you next time.